Alright guys, so we made a total of $37.50 off this trade. Again, I am not a straight professional trader yet. I am learning on the curves on the way to go. And of course I back trade and I'll show you guys along my journey for entertainment purposes. So I'm not telling you guys what to do, but to show you guys what you should and should not do as a trader coming into these markets. From a beginner to intermediate to advanced trader, we all make mistakes. So let's get straight into it. So far on this trade, as you can, let me go to it. So far off these trades, I made a profit 160, but I lost 122, and my winning trades was 30%, but I still came out on top, which I'm grateful for. So right now, as we're looking at the market, we are the market looks pretty bearish coming out, but it looks bullish. The only mistakes that I make personally is that I always go against the trend. So right now, if it's bullish, I should have stayed bullish, even though the market looks, it just gave me negative numbers. It's just negative percentage. So the market is about to open here soon, and right now I like to go in and pre-play on the market. The market just started, and I got my support zone right here. So I said, okay, my mindset right now, if it breaks below the support, then I'll get into the trade. So I pretty much stay patient into my trades just to see, you know, what's going to happen, what might happen, you know, stuff like that. But good thing is, guys, that along this journey, you know, you're going to lose money. It is what it is. You're going to lose money. And most people quit trading. That's what they do. Because it gets hard, you lose so much money. But I'm not going to give up. You know, I don't know how long it's going to take, but I'm gonna still do what I gotta do. That's just me. That's just the dog in me. And I'm gonna learn around this journey. You know, you can always watch people, you can always see people do things, but you gotta really want this for yourself and do it for yourself. You know, most people are millionaires that are millionaires, took risk in our life to get to that point. And these, I'm talking about like entrepreneurs, from traders, or who have their own companies. Some people do it from 9 to 5. But everything you do requires a lot of hard work, especially with the lifestyle that you see on magazines, on YouTube, and I just said magazines. But yeah, magazines, YouTube, off the internet, social media. It's real. It's crazy. So right now, guys, we're looking at the 5-minute chart. It's consolidating. It's running at the 380 area. I have it marked up at 379.97 on my spot chart. And right now the market is pretty much consolidating. And honestly, what you gotta look at, this is the best time when you want to get into a trade, when the market consolidates. Because think about it as like a rocket. It just, before the rocket goes, what happened, just then it just shoots up because you got all the fuel and the power behind it. So right now we're looking at it off Ninja Trader, which is what I trade on. I'm on my live account as always. If you look at the 5-minute chart, it's on a flag pattern. And then if you look at a 1-minute chart, it's just pretty much zigzagging. But it's a triple bottom right there. You can see off the 2-minute. So I went and got in for the sell because I seen it broke that wick. And should I have got in on this trade? I'll give this trade probably like, I don't know, I'll give it a C-. And guys, here's the reason why I would give it a C-. It's because my thing is, I don't do good. You got to start recording yourself when you do trades. For me, I personally don't do good when the market, like within the first 5 minutes of the market. I like for the big moves happen within the market, because stuff like this can happen and you can get easily wicked out and get out the play. Woo! But yeah, you can get out the play. So that's my bad off that part, but I only lost $25. So you see I marked up the zone up on 1 minute, and I'm just seeing what the market wants to do at this point. So yeah, rookie mistake right there. But I should have also, if I want to be honest, another thing that I should have done was put my stop above the wick of that candle. But no matter what happens, this play still reversed. So I'm looking at the 5 minute. Look at the candle. It's just a candle recording right now. candle going. Look at that candle's a pin bar. So we're looking right now. Boom, 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 boom. Stand patient. I'll tell you guys, in the first 5 minutes of the trade is very, I don't know. It's very volatile, and put it like that. It'll shoot up like crazy. Like really, it'll really shoot up on you. So you stand patient on this trade, down $25. And it's like the market, honestly, market like wants to retrace back up. That could have been a pretty good buy. Just seeing all the buy powers from the wicks. Just looking at it. But then again, I don't know. And this day, I don't know what I was doing. Honestly, I was thinking if I stayed in this trade, I would have been cool. But also, I was thinking off the 5-minute chart, if it plays down to that pivot, I'll get back in. But I got back in for another sell for 2 contracts. Now, if I stayed in the first time above my wick, I would have been fine. But I'm thinking off the 5-minute, if it played, if you could see off the 5-minute, play it to that pivot, to that support right there off the 5 to take out. That's where I would have played to. But if I stayed in the play originally and put it on top of the wick like I was supposed to, I would have been up a good amount right now, honestly. A real good amount. But I didn't do that. So right here, it's close to that pivot point. Technically, I could still stay in. But I could have took out if that would have been a smart thing to do, honestly. But I didn't do that. So learn how to take out, don't be greedy. So yo, these trades wasn't really no A plus B's, you know, something like that. But it's a good thing about learning about your trades, and also for you guys to review, because a lot of guys, not a lot of guys, a lot of women, girls, boys, men, whatever, all of us feel like that. We all do the exact same thing. So you could tell the trade reverse again, so I'm down 85. Look at that. Now, this is a key point that I'm talking about. If I followed that trend like I was supposed to, I should have been looking for the buy, and once it broke the high, then I would have got in. And I know some traders wait after 15 cents after the high, they'll get into the trade. But for me, I would have drawn my support line, and once I seen the bar hit a full bar go over it, then I'll get in for the next bar. But I didn't do that. And then if I stayed to the plan like I originally should have known, then I would have been in for this play on a buy. And yeah, you know, so that you know, that pretty much got me. So yeah. So I guess what, 0 for 2 right now. It is what it is. You gotta take these losses. So look at that going, guys. Look at that. So now the way how high that went, I'm thinking it's gonna go to 382.16 area. And look at the percentage. Look at that. Tesla's up almost 8. SPY's up over 4, almost 4.5%. Like, guys, look at that. Oh my gosh, I missed that. You know, I missed that. That's crazy. That's crazy. So I pretty much gotta stay patient at this point. I think right now it's 3 pushes. You look at everything else, should have stayed with the trend. Oh my goodness. This be so, my days be long. I be having so long days. But yeah, like these days are long. Like, if you don't pay attention to these charts, guys, you will have a long day. I'm looking at it, another pattern right there. Boom, flag pattern. Boom, break up. That's what I'm looking for, another break. Boom, it'll go up. But never just hop into a trade just because you gotta know. So now, guys, I go in for a buy. I went in way too early for the foremost. So I should have had wait for more confirmation until it broke actually the high. But I didn't. So that's on me. So constantly looking, I'm up right now. Boom. Is it gonna stay up? Don't know. I have my stop underneath the big bar. Okay, boom, boom. We're getting some action. So I really want to hit that target above on that resistance. That's what I want. So staying patient. Then I just look at it. I'm like, dang, what are you doing? You ever talk to the candle sometimes? Like, am I the only one? Like, you're in a play, you just talk to the candles. Like, come on, baby, what are you doing? What are you doing? Like, what are you doing? What are you doing? Go back up. There you go. There you go. You know what you're doing. There you go. Am I the only one that does that? I don't think so. I don't really think so. I think I might be going crazy or something if I'm the only one. So I got hit out that play. So now I'm 0 for 3. So yeah, you know, it's okay. It is what it is. So in a minute, we're gonna come up on the last trade where I made my money and I got back profitable. Yeah. But yeah, so I took the loss. I'm 0-3 right now, guys. So as a scalp trader, you gotta pay attention to the trades and be confident in these trades. And I got in late on this trade, and also this trade needs to come down to retest before it goes back up, and that's what it's doing. I should have paid more attention to it, and pretty much got back in with a retest instead of just getting in while it's already boom, boom, boom. That's another amateur move, so don't do that. So we're down 122 right now, and we're just gonna stay patient. So I got back in for another buy, guys, because I seen it came back down and retest at that support area. So we just looking, boom, boom. Got my stop underneath that wick, and just wait, just see what's gonna happen. Boom, got in, boom. I'm like, all right, what do I want to do? Does it want to play back up? Or want to play down? What does it want to do? So I got in for the dub for this one. I got for 6 contracts. I knew it was going for the high, but I should have got it on that retest. That's what I should have done, but I didn't do that. And I'm a really big on retests, so I don't know why I didn't follow that either. It's like when you go into a market, everything just disappears out your mind, guys. I don't know why. So we up 102. We still down about $20. Now we down 5. Boom. Now we up profits. Boom. Boom. I love green. Make money every day. That's the goal. Yeah. So we up 55, 62, 70. Should have took profits, but it's okay. Left out with 37.50. It is what it is. Like I told you guys, look at the charts. Come on now. Little money is better than no money. Or little money is better. Yeah, little money is better than no money at all. So I'd rather have some money instead of no money at all. So that's what it was for today, guys. It wasn't the best day, but luckily I came back to myself and I realized what I like to do, which is to hit those retests. The market has a retest eventually at some point. Get on those retests and follow the trend. That's my biggest thing right now. Follow the trend and get on those retests. Don't get in at the highs or the lows. I'm actually good with that, but for some reason I got in at that point. I could have held for longer, but I don't know why I didn't. But yeah, guys. So hopefully you learned from my videos. And hey, follow me to the top. We will do it together. Alright, love you guys. Catch you in the next video. Peace.